I did the Akaroa tour with lunch and a boat trip. The weather was not kind to us, but the tour and driver were the best. I thoroughly enjoyed the day and may do it again, hoping the weather will be better. A great look at Christchurch surroundings. The moment I met Elon, I never imagined I'd be so deeply moved. Though our day together was brief, he was incredibly attentive, earnest, and responsible. His detailed explanations and polite, humble demeanor truly reminded me of my own family, gifting me countless joyful and genuine moments. If you ever have the chance to visit Christchurch, you absolutely must sign up for his tour. By the way, if Elon is willing to share his contact info, please send it my way. Thank you. I have so many thoughts I want to share with him and would love to personally tell him what made such a deep impression on me. Thank you. All in all, it was an incredible travel experience, perfect for sharing with family or friends, and equally suited for solo travelers like me. Elon is like family. Our guide gave us a very knowledgeable tour of our scenery getting to the cruise. Our ship captain worked very hard on making sure we could see dolphins. Stephanie was a knowledgeable and friendly tour guide. The first stop offers great views over Christchurch. The cheese shop stop is short, no pressure, and tasty. The bus ride and boat both offer great scenery. We saw dolphins. Good pace and great value and family friendly. Stephanie is an excellent guide. Clean and comfortable van too. It was an excellent tea trip and our guide Terry was awesome. The boat ride and the views were simply great. Akaroa was amazing. The beautiful scenic route and thoughtful charming stops were well planned. The Akaroa nature cruise is an unforgettable experience. We managed to come across many dolphins and amazing seals and NZ native sea animals basking in the sun on few stoppages. We were lucky that the weather was perfect. What a fantastic day, would highly recommend this company and trip to everyone. Our driver/guide for the day, Diana, was an absolute gem. She was very friendly, knowledgeable and entertaining. Would certainly do another trip with her. We had a wonderful time on the excursion. Pete was friendly, knowledgeable, and professional, and the lunch option could not have been more fresh or delicious. Our skippers on the cruise were also entertaining and wonderful. Highly recommend this tour. Tour guide was very knowledgeable and personable. He showed us some really beautiful scenery. We had a great time,